Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad geometric challenge. And here we have a nice right triangle A, B and C. And we denote the side opposite to the vertex A by small letter A. And we denote the vertex capital B by small letter B. And we denote the side opposite to the capital vertex C to the small letter C. And here we are given that the sum of the side of this length equals to 15, and we know that a plus b plus c equals to 15, and the sum of squares of the length of each side equals to 72. And we use this information and we find the area of this triangle. So here you see that our given triangle be the right angle triangle, because here we have a right angle at vertex C. So that here we use the nice Pythagoras theorem. So that by Pythagorean theorem we see that you know about Pythagorean theorem. If we can apply the Pythagorean theorem in this right triangle, then you obtain here a square plus b square equals to c square. And now we call this equation as equation number 1, and we call this as equation number 2. And now here we first substitute the value of c square in equation number 2. So here we write from equation number 2. So we have equation number 2 is a square plus b square plus c square equals to 72. And now we put the value of a square plus b square, it is equals to c square. So we use this value here and we get c square plus c square equals to 72. And here we add c square plus c square equals to 2 times of c square, and this whole equals to 72. And this implies that we have c square equals to 72 over 2, and we obtain c square equals to 72 over 2 becomes 36. So here when we take square root on both of the sides of this equation, then we get the value of c will be equals to plus minus 6, but here we choose only positive value because c be the length of the side of right triangle, so it cannot be negative, so that we will choose here the positive value of c. So here we have the value of c becomes 6. And now in the next step we put the value of this c in equation number 1. So here we have equation number 1, it is a plus b plus c equals to 15. So we put the value of c here and we get, so that here we first write from equation number 1, and we have equation number 1 is copied down here, and we write it as a plus b plus c equals to 15. And now we put the value of c here, then you get a plus b plus c is 6 equals to 15. And now we move this 6 to the right hand side, and we get the value of a plus b equals to 15 minus 6, and 15 minus 6 becomes 9. So here in the next step we will take the squaring on both of the sides of this equation, so that here when we take the square on both of the sides of this equation and we use the nice square identity, then we get here a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab equals to the square of 9 becomes 81, and we call this as equation number 3. So now in the next step we will focus on equation number 2. So we have equation number 2 is a square plus b square plus c square equals to 72. And now we put the value of c in this equation. So here we have from equation number 2, and we copy down the equation number 2 is a square plus b square plus c square equals to 72. And here we have the value of c is 6, but the value of c square becomes 36. So we put the value c square here and we get a square plus b square plus 36 equals to 72. And here we obtain the value of a square plus b square equals to 72 minus 36, and it will becomes 36. So in the next step, uh, we put the value of a square plus b square in equation number 3, and in equation number 3 implies that we put this value on this part of equation and we get 36 plus 2 times of ab equals to 81. And here we move this 36 to the right hand side and we write it as 2 times of AB equals to 81 minus 36. And here we have 81 minus 36 equals to 45. So here we move this 2 to the right hand side and we get AB equals to 45 over 2. And when we divide 45 by 2, then we get here 22.5. And now we move towards the given triangle, and here our target is to find the area of this triangle. So you know that about area of the triangle. What is the area of triangle? We know that area of triangle formula is equals to half time of base multiplied by height. And you see that our base is denoted by a and our height is denoted by b, so that we write it as our area becomes 1 over 2 times of ab. So here we have, this is the area formula of according to this triangle. So now we use this formula on this part of this question. So here we write area of the given triangle equals to 1 over 2 times of AB, and here we have the value of AB is 22.5. so now we substitute the value of AB here, so it will becomes 1 over 2 times of 22.5. And when we divide 22.5 by 2, then we obtain here 11.25 and square units. So this is the area of the given right triangle, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.